How to get the Early Access Game Pass for free in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Welcome to our tutorial on how to get the Early Access Game Pass for free in Jujutsu Shenanigans, one of the most popular Roblox games. If you're eager to unlock exclusive characters and abilities without spending any Robux, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Participate in giveaways. Many content creators on platforms like YouTube host giveaways for the Early Access Game Pass. To enter these contests, you typically need to like the video, show your support for the creator, subscribe to their channel. This helps you stay updated on future giveaways. Join their Discord server. Most giveaways require you to be part of their community. Comment your username. After completing the above steps, leave a comment with your Roblox username to enter. Keep an eye out for these giveaways, as many creators regularly host them. Step 2. Engage in Discord communities. Joining the Jujutsu Shenanigans Discord server is another effective way to find opportunities for the Early Access Game Pass. Here's how to make the most of it. Interact with other players. Ask if anyone is willing to share or give away their Game Pass. Be polite and friendly. Community goodwill can go a long way, so approach others respectfully. Responses may vary, but you might just find someone willing to help. Step 3. In-game interaction. While it may seem a bit unconventional, you can also try your luck directly in the game. Run around and ask other players. Look for players who might have the Game Pass and politely ask if they would be willing to share. Be prepared for mixed responses. Not everyone will be willing to give away their Game Pass, but some players might be generous. Inclusion. By participating in giveaways, engaging with the community on Discord, and interacting with players in-game, you can increase your chances of obtaining the Early Access Game Pass for free in Jujutsu Shenanigans.